Explore the power of the HIKMICRO B10 thermal camera. Revolutionize the way you approach home inspections and troubleshooting with the HIKMICRO B10 thermal camera. Equipped with cutting-edge Super IR technology, this device boosts thermal resolution for crystal-clear imaging. With a refresh rate of 25 Hz and a 3.2-inch LCD screen, your thermal visuals have never been sharper. Take accurate temperature readings in a broad range of -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, with measurements precise to within plus or minus 2%. Adjustable emissivity and distance settings ensure reliability in every application. Perfect for spotting issues like temperature inconsistencies, leaks, or electrical faults. The B10 offers 4 viewing modes: thermal, optical, fusion, and PIP. 6 color palettes enhance visualization, while built-in features like LED work lights and alarms alert you to critical hotspots. With 6 hours of continuous battery life and a rugged IP54 waterproof design, it's ready for any challenge. Engineered for durability, the B10 withstands up to 2-meter drops and comes with a hassle-free warranty: 3 years for the device, 10 years for the sensor. Lifetime updates and technical support promise ongoing reliability. Elevate your DIY projects and inspections today with the HIKMICRO B10. Click the link in the description to explore more and secure yours now.